डिस्कस केला आहे मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ हायड्रोजन हॅलाइड्स ऑन इथर्स. तर आता याच्यावरचे काही क्वेश्चन्स पण आपण डिस्कस करूया. सो फर्स्ट इज राइट द इक्वेशन्स ऑफ द रिएक्शंस ऑफ हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड विथ वन इज 1-propoxypropane, second is methoxybenzene, and third is what, benzyl ether. Okay, but here condition not defined. Okay, whether it is cold hydrochloric acid or hot hydrochloric acid, condition define नाही केलेली आहे. ओके, त्यामुळे आपल्याला दोन्ही कंडिशन्स मध्ये रिएक्शन डिस्कस करावे लागतील. ओके, सो आय विल टेक हियर फर्स्ट आपण घेऊया 1-propoxypropane, right? So here this is symmetrical ether. Okay, 1-propoxypropane is what? Symmetrical ether. So first we will take here cold hydroiodic acid. So what is the structure here? See, on one side there is propyl, normal propyl. On other side the same alkyl group will be there. So this is 1-propoxypropane, 1-propoxypropane, right? Now this compound is treated with the hydroiodic acid at 273 Kelvin. Okay, this is treated with the hydroiodic acid at 273 Kelvin. So we can write like this here, cold condition, in cold condition. So what happens during the cold conditions? This is symmetrical ether, so we don't have to think which alkyl group is small, which is large. Both are same alkyl group, right? So one of the carbon oxygen bond we have to break here. Okay, there is cleavage of one carbon oxygen bond. Suppose if we cleave this, right? So oxygen, hydrogen of or proton of this acid get transferred to oxygen, and this iodide, which is acting as a nucleophile, get transferred on this alkyl group or other alkyl group. So you will get here alcohol, so that is propan 1-ol, and what is the another compound? If nucleophile iodide attacks on this alkyl group, you will get here 1-iodopropane. What you will get here? 1-iodopropane, right? So this is the reactions of hydrochloric acid in cold conditions with 1-propoxypropane. Now what happens when we take here 373 Kelvin or hot condition? Okay, so let's see. तर बघा इथे आपण 1-propoxypropane घेतलेलं आहे आणि त्याची रिएक्शन्स आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड सोबत करणार आहे. कोणत्या टेम्परेचर वरती? 373 केल्विन. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव डिस्कस in these reactions of hot HI with ethers. So what happened here? There is cleavage of 2 carbon oxygen bond. Okay, दोन्ही कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड काय होणार? क्लीव होणार इथे, राईट? अशा प्रकारे. आणि हे जे अल्काइल ग्रुप असतात, या अल्काइल ग्रुपला कोण अटॅच होणार? आयोडाइड. ओके, सो हियर यू विल गेट CH3CH2I, CH3CH2I. सिमेट्रिकलच्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला काय मिळणार? यू विल गेट ओनली 1 अल्काइल हॅलाइड. ओके, ओनली 1 अल्काइल हॅलाइड but 2 molecules. Okay, so this is 1-iodopropane, and what happens with this oxygen? Oxygen forms water with hydrogen. So here H2O. Now there are 2 iodide here, so we have to balance here by 2. Also hydrogens will be balanced. So these are the 2 reactions of the 1-protoxypropane. Now we will see the next example, that is methoxybenzene. Okay, तर चला बघूया आपण सेकंड एक्झाम्पल methoxybenzene. So what happened in this reaction? So first we have to understand what is the structure of this methoxybenzene. Okay, so this is methoxybenzene, which is also known as anisole. What we call anisole. Now here in any conditions, whether it is hot or cold conditions, you will get the same product. Okay, तुम्हाला इथे काय मिळणार? Same product मिळणार. So that's why we are not going to define here conditions. We are just writing here hydroiodic acid. Okay. Now what is expected? आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय एक्सपेक्टेड आहे की जसं मिथाइल छोटा ग्रुप आहे, हा थोडा मोठा ग्रुप आहे. ओके, तर इकडे आपल्याला काय मिळेल? You will get here phenol and another is what? Methyl iodide. Okay, the same will happen. But before predicting product, we should understand exactly what happened here. Okay, so here oxygen atom of ether is bonded to benzene, directly bonded to benzene, and that's why if this bond has double bond character. This bond has double bond character, and this bond is difficult to break. Okay, so we can classify here the carbon of benzene. The carbon of benzene is sp2 hybridized. So here sp2 hybridized carbon and oxygen bond. So this bond is present in what? Benzene. Okay, so benzene ring is attached here. Now here this carbon of methyl group. Carbon of methyl group is what? sp3 hybridized and oxygen bond. Okay, so we can write here this is methyl. Okay, so which bond breaks easily? This bond has double bond character. This bond sp2 hybridized carbon and O has double bond character, and it has a single bond character, right? So this bond sp2 hybridized carbon and oxygen is difficult to break. This is easy to break. Okay, that's why the bond between this methyl and oxygen gets break earlier. Okay, and here this iodide transferred on this methyl and H get transferred on this oxygen. Okay, that's why you will get here phenol. One product is phenol and another product is what? Methyl iodide. Okay, another product is what? Methyl iodide. Okay, is this reactions clear to you? Okay, so next we are going to discuss benzyl ether. Okay, तर चला मित्रांनो आपण लगेच डिस्कस करूया इथे बेन्झाईल इथर. तर कसं लिहिता येईल आपल्याला बेन्झाईल इथर? याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला एक कंडिशन घ्यावं लागेल की दोन्ही कंडिशन्स वरती वेगळ्या रिएक्शन्स मिळणार. तर इथे आपल्याला दोन्ही कंडिशन्स घ्यायच्या आहेत. ठीक आहे, तर बेन्झाईल इथर म्हणजे काय? सो फर्स्ट हियर we should understand this. See, this is benzyl group, right? This is benzyl group. Okay, and here we will take the example of benzyl ethyl ether. Actually आपल्याला इथे काय घ्यायचंय? benzyl ethyl ether. Okay, so here this is benzyl ethyl ether, right? So this group is benzyl, this is ethyl. So we can write here benzyl ethyl ether. Okay, now benzyl is considered as one of the alkyl group. Okay, and here we are treating this with HI. Okay, but at 273 Kelvin, cold condition. Which condition? Cold condition. Now what happened? Which bond will break? Okay, so this is the larger group. This group is larger group. This ethyl is smaller group. Okay, so bond between a smaller group and oxygen, smaller alkyl group and oxygen will break. Okay, and this I will attack on this least substituted group. iodide will attack on least substituted group and this H get transferred to oxygen. So you will get benzyl alcohol. One of the product is what? Benzyl alcohol. One of the product is benzyl alcohol, and another is what? Baga, C2H5 and I. Here you will get C2H5I. That is what? Ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Okay. I hope this reaction is clear to you. So we have learned the action of here cold HI on benzyl ethyl ether. Okay. Now what happens if we take the second condition, right? So if we take here second condition, that is hot HI. Okay. So look at here. This is unsymmetrical ether, benzyl ethyl ether. Now here we will take concentrated hydrochloric acid at 373 Kelvin. At what? 373 Kelvin. So what happens here? There will be cleavage of these two carbon oxygen bond. There will be cleavage of two carbon oxygen bond. Okay. So what happens? This I minus will attack on both, okay, ethyl as well as benzyl group. So you will get here CH2I and here is C2H5I. So this is benzyl iodide, and here ethyl iodide, benzyl iodide and ethyl iodide, and byproduct would be water. Okay, so here you can balance by multiplying 2. Byproduct is water. लक्षात आले का? तर बघा इथे आपण काय केलंय, बेंझाईल इथाईल इथर घेतलाय, त्याची रिएक्शन कोणासोबत केली आहे? कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड at 373 Kelvin. So what happens here? There will be cleavage of these two carbon oxygen bond and you will get here benzyl iodide and ethyl iodide. Okay. हॉट कंडिशन आहे म्हणून दोन्ही कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड या ठिकाणी ब्रेक होणार. हे आपण प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर मध्ये लर्न केलेलं आहे. ओके. चला मित्रांनो, आपण हा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूया. राइट द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ हायड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड ऑन टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल मिथाइल इथर. ओके. तर हा अनसिमेट्रिकल इथर आहे आणि लाईक हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड आपल्याला हायड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड याचे ऍक्शन्स बघायचे आहे या इथर वरती. ओके. जसं आपण डिस्कस केलंय की जर समजा अल्काइल ग्रुप छोटा असेल तर तो काय फॉर्म करतो? अल्काइल आयोडाइड फॉर्म करतो इन कोल्ड कंडिशन. ओके. छोटा अल्काइल ग्रुप असेल तर, आणि मोठा असेल तर तो अल्कोहोल फॉर्म करतो, असं आपण लर्न केलेलं आहे. पण सगळ्यात पहिले आपल्याला समजून घ्यायचंय की या रिएक्शन्स मध्ये नेमकं काय फॉर्म होणार. ओके. आणि का फॉर्म होणार. राईट. सो इन दिस रिएक्शन्स वन ऑफ द अल्काइल ग्रुप इज टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल. वन ऑफ द अल्काइल ग्रुप इज व्हाट? टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल. सो लुक एट हियर. सो दिस इज टर्शियरी butyl group. Here is oxygen, here is what? Methyl. So this is tertiary butyl methyl ether, right? And here if this hydrogen bromide reacts in cold condition, okay, at 273 Kelvin, then what happens here? What is expected? Expected is what? Bigger alcohol, means tertiary butyl alcohol, okay, and a smaller alkyl halide, that is what? Methyl bromide. But it doesn't happen. अशा प्रकारची रिएक्शन्स इथे होणार नाही. म्हणजे कोणता बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो इथे? हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो आणि ऍक्च्युअली टर्शियरी अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड तयार होतं आणि मिथाइल अल्कोहोल तयार होतं. ओके. सो हियर देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टर्शियरी butyl bromide and methyl alcohol. ओके, टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल ब्रोमाइड अँड मिथाइल अल्कोहोल. तर असं का झालं त्याचं आपल्याला मेकॅनिझम इथे डिस्कस करायचं आहे. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट मेकॅनिझम हिअर. So you know that what is the first step? What is the first step in the mechanism of action of hydrogen halides on ethers? Okay, so we have discussed earlier this oxygen atom of ether is basic in nature because it contains two lone pairs of electrons. Means oxygen atom of ether contains two lone pairs of electrons. And here what happened? See, this is H where this is strong acid. So this proton will attack on this nucleophilic center such as oxygen. Okay, so here there will be attack of proton on this oxygen. So again here the hydrogen and bromine electron get transferred. Hydrogen and bromine bond electron get transferred on bromine and proton will attack on this oxygen. So the first step is what? Protonation. First step कोणती असणार आहे? Protonation असणार आहे. So here you will get dialkyl oxonium ion. Dialkyl oxonium ion. You can see the proton is added to oxygen. So out of 4, 2 electrons are used. Here is positive charge and here is what? Br minus. Okay. So this is dialkyl oxonium ion. Dialkyl oxonium ion. Okay. So what is the second step? What happened during the step 2? In step 2 there will be attack of nucleophiles such as Br minus. Okay. तर आता step 2 मध्ये काय होतंय बघा. Step 2 मध्ये हा जो आपण इथे we have taken this dialkyl oxonium ion. Okay, but actually here the one of the alkyl group is tertiary, so there will be a formation of here tertiary butyl carbocation. Okay, काय तयार होणार इथे? tertiary butyl carbocation तयार होणार and so you will get here methyl alcohol. See, कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्डचे इलेक्ट्रॉन कशावरती ट्रान्सफर होणार? ऑक्सिजन वरती. सो यू विल गेट CH3OH. आणि इथे या ठिकाणी टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल कार्बोकॅटायन तयार होणार. ओके, वाय टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल कार्बोकॅटायन, वाय नॉट मिथाइल कार्बोकॅटायन? ठीक आहे, हाच बॉन्ड का ब्रेक होणार? बिकॉज टर्शियरी ब्युटाइल कार्बोकॅटायन इज मोर स्टेबल दॅन व्हॉट? मिथाइल कार्बोकॅटायन. ओके, that's why tertiary butyl carbocation will be formed here and bromide ion means here nucleophile will attack on this tertiary butyl carbocation. This nucleophile attack on carbocation. So there is formation of here tertiary butyl bromide. काय मिळतं आपल्याला? tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, so we have discussed these 2 steps. I just want to brief. See, tertiary butyl methyl ether, right, and its reactions with the hydrobromic acid in cold condition. Okay, so we are discussing these reactions in cold conditions, right? So the first step is protonation of ether. So you will get dialkyl oxonium ion. Now this dialkyl oxonium ion, here one of the alkyl group is tertiary, so tertiary alkyl group is more stable, so there is breaking of this carbon and oxygen bond and you will get here tertiary butyl carbocation. But on this tertiary butyl carbocation, bromide ion which is acting as a nucleophile will attack and form tertiary butyl bromide. So you will get here 2 products. One is methanol and another is what? Tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, now what is third step? Okay, you know the third step. If reaction is carried out at higher temperature, if reaction is carried out at higher temperature with excess of HBr, then methanol reacts with HBr and forms methyl bromide. Okay, so we have discussed this earlier. So methanol CH3OH, ठीक आहे, हा पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये तयार झालाय टर्शियम ब्युटाइल ब्रोमाइड सोबत. आता जर समजा आपण HBr, ठीक आहे, इथे एक्सेस क्वांटिटी मध्ये घेतलाय आणि रिएक्शन्स आता हायर टेम्परेचर वर करतोय आपण, दॅट इज व्हॉट 373 केल्विन. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स हियर? सो देयर विल बी अटॅक ऑफ this H plus, okay, on this nucleophilic center such as oxygen, right? So here there will be attack and this bonding electron get transferred on bromine. काय मिळणार आपल्याला या स्टेप मध्ये? there is formation of protonated alcohol. You will get here protonated alcohol, okay, and the nucleophile, that is what, Br minus, okay. Now this Br minus will attack on this carbon. Nucleophile Br minus will attack on this carbon. There will be formation of water. बघा, कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कशावरती ट्रान्सफर होणार? ऑक्सिजन वरती ट्रान्सफर होणार. ओके, आणि इकडे तुम्हाला काय मिळते बघा, यू विल गेट हियर CH3I, that is methyl iodide, and here H2O, water. लक्षात आले? methyl iodide and here water. So in this way, if the reaction is carried out at higher temperature, then the methyl alcohol formed during the first step, that is converted into a methyl iodide. Okay, so this condition is optional. If you carried out the reaction in cold condition, then you will get tertiary butyl bromide and methyl alcohol. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you very much. चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा, व्हिडिओज लाईक करा, लिंक शेअर करा.